Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another special register of DB2 SQL, which is client application name. So to use this special register, first of all we will run one command strsql, which is for starting the SQL, and here you can use this query. So query is quite simple. You just need to write select current space client app underscore apple name from sys ibm dot systeme1. Okay, so this is for uh, what it will do. It will print the client application name. Once you hit enter here, you can see it is printing this client application name, which is start SQL interactive session. Okay, so this is how it works. Now if you would like to use this thing inside a SQLRPGLE program, then you can follow the same steps. Here you can do here you can declare firstly the constant variable, which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. After that, I'm declaring one variable result variable of character 30, and then we are setting the commitment control to start none. Below to this, we are executing the main query, which is exec SQL for executing SQL. Select current underscore app AWPL name, which is application name, into host variable result from sysibm dot systeme1. Once the query is executed, we will check for the SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, display result, else display SQL state with the message query ended with an error. Then simply do endif and INLR on. So this is how we can easily utilize this special register in order to print the client application name. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.